uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga ng mga kanong dito, team.
One punch. Brought down Fasan in this round.
Ito na naman. Goodbye.
And that's it.
Dito.
Here is the icon of the sport and future Hall of Famer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome boxing's legendary and only 8-division champion of the world, introducing the one and only Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Fighting out of the blue corner, he came in at a trim 124 pounds with a record of 44 victories, 7 defeats, and 1 draw, with 23 victories coming by way of knockout. He has won 29 of his last 30 fights. 22 among them were Filipino victims, most of them by knockout. The former Pan Asia Boxing Association Super Bantamweight Champion, the former WBF Bantamweight Champion, a former IBF International Bantamweight Champion, the reigning IBF Pan Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion, and now the number 6 ranked IBF Featherweight contender from Ubon Ratchathani in Thailand, Fasan 3K Battery. Fasan, the former OPBF Flyweight Champion, the former WBC Flyweight Champion, the former WBC International Super Bantamweight Champion, the former IBF Super Bantamweight Champion, the Ring Magazine Featherweight Champion of the World, the People's Featherweight Champion of the World, ranked number 3 Featherweight World Contender by the IBF. From General Santos City in Mindanao, ladies and gentlemen, a hero of our time, the Philippines' national treasure, merciless Manny Pacquiao.
At sa wakas, magsisimula na ang matagal nating iniinay si Manny Pacquiao, tabas na tabas ang katawan. At kapansin-pansin ang bagong tato sa kanyang kaliwang balikat. Ito yata yung batang Red Bull na tato.
At saka nasa patalon din yan, no? Red Bull, of course, is one of the sponsors of Manny Pacquiao sa laban na to.
I have given you your instructions.
Nakatato. Alam mo sa Amerika ginagawa yan, nilalagay nila yung WW something sa likod, ano? But this one, they took it a step further. And now si Manny Pacquiao has that Red Bull tattoo on his left.
Third man in the ring, napakinggan natin si Ferdy Estrella. Siya po isang 53-year-old referee with 8 World Championship fights under his belt as a referee.
Ito yung tail of the tape natin. Makikita natin ang age. Lamang itong si Manny Pacquiao sa kabataan at yung height lamang si Manny, no? Makikita nyo dyan yung distinct 2.5 inches. Dito sa reach na ito, again, ang nasukat ho dito ay pamula sa dulo ng daliri hanggang sa balikat. Pero makikita nyo ang advantage. Ito, kapit mga kapatid.
Pareho silang kaliwete. Pareho silang kaliwete. So, neither will have an advantage of being a southpaw sa laban na to.
Pareho sila, yes. Pareho silang fighting out of the yung southpaw stance. Ito si Manny Pacquiao. Kapatid depensa ni Manny Pacquiao. Nakikita natin kinito dito. Nakatago. No? Hindi niya alam kung ano itong opponent niya na ito. Again, trying to connect and trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao quickly connecting.
Mukhang all business si Manny dito, ha?
He has
Shooting
always
off his
been.
right jab. At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao just before this fight. Sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking kanan.
That's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddy. Coach, Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, ano? But Manny, nainis
Ito.
yata sa suntok na binigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Ito na.
And Pasong
Manny
Pirang
Pacquiao
gets
on the
tagged
attack.
by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya alam kung ano sinusuntok niya.
Well, parang groggy na ito si Pasang, no? Very, very early in this fight. Manny Pacquiao has unloaded some of his bombs. Pero si Pasang kanina, nakatama din ng isang matinding suntok. Hindi nakakasigurado dito si Manny Pacquiao.
Tabi yung left na yung kanyang kanan na pinanjab niya, no? Basic na basic yan, sumasabay doon sa kanyang pag-step. And Manny Pacquiao now getting a measure of Pasong Pirang now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang.
Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. Very, very concentrated. Hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw in terms of his footwork. Wala siya masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na ito with 1:25 to go. Ito, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Ferdy Estrella calls it wisely, it's a slip. Ito pong si Pasong Pirang lost his footing. Pag-atake nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Manny now, again, trying to bounce, trying to use that right, trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left-right.
Mabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang, pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Pasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Pasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, maka kung sa iba yun, mawawarning nga si Manny dahil
Oo.
tinulak niya
Dalawang
pababa.
beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more.
Etong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round
Well,
number
Chino,
1.
ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Pasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together. Ito,
Maaga-
pinagbugbog niya. Si
30-second warning mga kaibigan sa first round natin and Pasang, hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand. Sneaked in that time. And what a round. But yung fight plan ni Pasang, para nakikita na natin, no? Sino, no first round, halos hindi sumuntok si Pasang. He was fighting defensively. Ang plano ni Pasang, pagurin niya si Manny Pacquiao. Yamo si Manny ang sumuntok in the first few rounds. And then Pasang, ang plano niya is to be able to start unloading mga 4 or 5 rounds kung tatagal yung laban.
Ito nakikita natin ang highlights itong bakbakan na ito. Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward, sumusugod sa, thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gustong punches ni Manny. That was the first slip ruled by coach, rather by itong si Ferdy Estrella, ang ating pong referee. Working the corner of Manny Pacquiao is Freddy Roach and excellent cutman na si Lenny De Jesus.
That's right. Ang plano niya is to be able to start unloading mga 4 or 5 rounds kung tatagal yung laban.
Ito nakikita natin ang highlights itong bakbakan na ito. Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward, sumusugod sa, thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gustong punches ni Manny. That was the first slip ruled by coach, rather by itong si Ferdy Estrella, ang ating pong referee. Working the corner of Manny Pacquiao is Freddy Roach and excellent cutman na si Lenny De Jesus.
That's right. Si Lenny De Jesus is a Puerto Rican. Nanggaling siya from New York where he operates a gym, yung Juan Laporte Boxing Gym. He's been involved in boxing for 41 years
Round
as a
number
fighter and as a trainer. Okay, ito na. Maganda rin ang depensa ni Pasang. Ha? A lot of those punches of Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Pasang. Ito si Pasang now also showing a jab.
Tandaan niyo, sinabi ni nitong si Pasang, si 3K Battery na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect, pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Pasang. Although tinatamaan siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. That's a knockdown. That is a knockdown. Definitely knockdown yon. Tinamaan si Pasang.
Sa nung tinamaan kinito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage. Barrage.
At nayanig po dito sa Taguig, ito po si Pasong 3K Battery, the first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might
Sino?
be coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning. all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yan pong kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand, which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Fasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh.
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman.
Sa dami ng suntok. Sa dami ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sa rin depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing him with that left. Yan po si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. And so far, hindi pa siya makapag-landing ng isang matinding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bumagsak si Fasan, but Fasan is still standing. He's still fighting back.
Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Pasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Fasan. Manny Pacquiao is mauling Fasan 3K battery.
Short of toying around with this guy. Going to the midsection. And going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails him with that right of his.
Alam mo,
He goes to the body. Grabe ang variety, Kinito.
You have to give it to Fasan, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na tinanggap niya from Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao again working out that right of his. Trying with that right looping shot. They're trying to master yung right cross, Kinito. This is round number 2.
Now, nakita din natin yung mga suntok ni Manny, hindi lang sa mukha, kundi sa tagiliran din, no? The side of the body.
10-second warning.
Fasang looks like he's going to survive his second round assault. Bumagsak siya in this round.
And end of the second round. And we might say na ito si Pasong Pirang, whether he's lucky to have survived the second round or whether he is This is the
Second round
knockout
highlights.
scored. Kami yung kanan tumama.
Right hand, yes. That was the right hand.
Again, the right to
And
the forehead
oo.
dito. And that staggered and sent ito pong si Pasong Pirang. Pero combination niya, makita niyo ulit, yung jab, which looks like more of a straight. And then, ayun,
Tumama yung left, yes.
nayanig.
Pero yung nakapag-set up doon, yung dalawang kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. That is what he's been working at. Yung kanyang kanan. He wants to be a two-fisted fighter in preparation for Marquez, Morales, and Barrera. But first,
He must hurdle.
he's got to be able to take care of Fasan
Pasong
3K battery.
Ito, back dito sa ating bout. Round number 3. Manny Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito si Pasong Pirang with his right lead. Going up and down. Manny Pacquiao nails him with the left. Ito si Pasong Pirang. Got nailed, Kinito.
Well, he got rocked that time.
Pero matibay, Kinito. Nakikita ko. Nasasalo niya yung mga suntok. Now, whether he's able to withstand the punishment.
Oo, Chino, parang pinasusuntok
Ayun na
niya
naman.
lang si Manny. But here is Fasang absorbing a lot of punishment.
And Manny Pacquiao getting a good workout dito sa first 2 rounds.
Oh, talaga. At sabi ni Manny, alika, suntukin mo ako. Para makatikim din ako, sabi niya.
Saka kanina kagulat-gulat, Kinito, nakita ko si Manny na doon sa pre-fight tradition, yung tradition na pre-fight, no? Nakangiti. Nakatawa si Manny Pacquiao.
Very loose siya.
Siya.
He was
Yes.
very loose before this fight. Very, very confident. At ito, tinatamaan na naman ng kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. Very slippery din ito si Fasang. Magalaw.
Yung pinapractice niya, no? Right straight, tingnan mo. Titignan natin maigi, no? Yung left, or rather that right hand that they're trying to work at. Ito pong corner ni Manny Pacquiao, led by, of course, Coach Freddy Rhodes.
Pasundot-sundot lang
Pero
si
parang
Fasang.
straight na siya, no? Kasi gusto nila, maturuan ito si Manny Pacquiao ng parang style ni Larry Holmes na yung kanan na jab, parang straight na halos.
Exactly. Yan parang nakikita natin. No? Yung jab ni Manny Pacquiao na kanan, parang knockout na din yun eh. It has a lot of power. Hindi lang pag-setup, no? Although he could also be a setup for his left hand or yung combination right, left, right. Ito, bumabalik si Fasang. Again, yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Manny should not be frustrated na hindi pa niya napapatulog itong kalaban niya, no?
Grabe.
Malayo pa to. It's a 12-rounder. Pero matibay itong Fasan. He has been able to take a lot of those punches. He went down once in round number 2.
Trying that right upper ngayon. But Manny gets tagged with that left by Pasong Pirang. Both fighters again fighting out of the southpaw stance. No, ayun, tumama. Si Manny Pacquiao with that left lead.
Overhand left. Well, one thing we have to also watch is baka naman masunog ito si Manny, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na binibitawan niya sa laban na ito. He's got to pace himself. Scheduled for 12 ito. matibay ang kanyang kalaban.
Pero sinabi kanina, Kinito, narinig natin, sabi ni Coach Freddy Roach, that we have to go 12, then so be it, ano?
Oo.
Yan ang sinasabi nila sa kondisyon ni si Manny dahil maraming nagdududa sa kondisyon itong si Manny Pacquiao. But Coach Freddy Roach said, I guarantee you, if we have to go 12, we will go 12. Pero lang kung konting, nako, ito na, under 5 seconds, at hilong-hilo si Pasong Birang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky. Pero
He went down. He went down. Yes, tama yun.
Walang fighter to be saved after the bell and another knockdown scored by...
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung sustained attack ni Manny Pacquiao sa katawan. It's been all head so far. At wala pa tayong nakikitang assault by Manny Pacquiao sa katawan ni Fasan 3K Battery.
Saka pansin mo yung kaliwa niya, bihira niyang binibitawan. Pag napadikit lang siya, but it's all been the right doing the work. Sabi kasi ni Manny Pacquiao kanina, abangan niyo yung kanan ko. And really, that right, he is trying to work at that so hard. At ito po, inuulit mo namin in preparation for that big one. On February 26, he is set to meet Manuel Marquez in a rematch, but he has first to finish off this assignment of his. Round number 3, or round number 4.
Nakita natin yung Chino, no? Yung right hand ni Manny turned the legs ni Fasan or robbery. Towards the end of that round, bumagsak siya. And I thought that was a legitimate knockdown.
It was. Kaya nga magaling ang basa ni Freddy Estrella na ito ay isang knockdown at the end of the round at the bell ito. Again, no fighter can be safe after the bell. And Pirang, ito na, alam na ni Manny kung anong gusto niya. Manny has got in his range but he gets nailed with the left. Manny comes back with that looping right.
Alam mo, very loose na din ang defense ni Manny at this point, ha? Kung meron pang ibubuga ito si Fasan, dapat ipakita niya ngayon because here's an opportunity for him. Manny's fighting very loose, very confident. Napabagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban.
Meron nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Pasong Pirang. Again,
I don't think so.
hindi buo uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga ng mga dito,
Oh, yes! One punch! The left hand!
The left hand.
Left hand!
That left upper, Kinito.
Parang upper yun!
It's an upper left
Woo!
hand. That nailed. This is the 3rd knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Fasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Fasan in this round.
Eto na
Ito na naman!
Goodbye.
And that's it!
Kinito.
It's over! It's over! Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout!
Win-workout lang yung kanan.
Grabe.
Ginamit ang kaliwa. Pumunta pa rin siya sa kaliwa niya. Ano
At
kailangan
hindi
niya?
malaman ni Fasan kung nasaan siya. Hindi niya malaman. At hindi niya nakita kung saan ang galing yung suntok ni Manny Pacquiao. What a sensational knockout victory!
And listen to that crowd, Kinito.
Manny Pacquiao, 4 rounds. Knockout victory. At ito na, ang statement ni Manny Pacquiao. Juan Manuel Marquez, maghanda ka na!
Ayan ang mami ni Manny.
Yes,
Kinito.
ang mami niya si
Si
Jonicia.
Aling Junisa, we rarely see her.
Nandirito.
Ito ang rare appearance ni
Yes.
ni Mami Manny.
Well, si Manny Pacquiao is the second of 4 children. Ito, panuorin
Ang
natin.
ganda Kinito nung
Kaliwa.
tinago niya ng kanan and then the upper of that left that sent itong Pasong Pirang kissing the canvas.
At ito na naman.
Ito na naman, grabe, ang ganda Kinito. Nakatago
Parang
sa kanan.
uppercut na cross na hindi mo maintindihan, but it was a left hand that brought Fasan down. 2 beses siyang bumagsak dito sa ating 4th round. Ito, panuorin ulit natin. One of the knockdowns scored here by Manny Pacquiao.
Tingnan mo, pepekain niya ng kanan.
Ito yung kanan.
Tapos ito na, pag nakita niya magtatago sa kanan, uli, ayan, napepekain ng kanan. And look at that
Yun.
left. Ang ganda ng timing Kinito.
At nakita mo, no? Yung 2 paa, umangat. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. Bihira natin nakikita yan.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung angle just to show
Grabe
you
yun.
how excellent that form of Manny Pacquiao was when he delivered that. Ang ganda
At saka
nun.
yung power. Yung power. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. And you rarely see that in a boxing fight. Not unless you see a Mike Tyson inside the ring.
Mamaya ho,
Yung power.
babalikan natin and we will try to dissect yung form ni Manny Pacquiao that floored Pasong Pirang in the 4th round of this scheduled 412. Ang yanig sa tagig, naging banig sa tagig.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time, 1 minute, 26 seconds of the 4th round. Winner by knockout, our national hero, our treasure, merciless Manny Pacquiao! to present the trophy, Vice President Noli De Castro and Taguig Mayor Freddie Tinga. And now, Manny Pacquiao wants to say something to his Filipino fans. Manny.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Napakasalamat po ako sa lahat ng suporta ninyo po. At itong labang na po to ay inaalay ko po sa mga napikuhan ng bagyo. At natigirapan po ako sa inyo lahat. At maraming salamat po. At sana bigyan tayo ng malakas na katawan sa Panginoon sa araw-araw. At maraming pong salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta, lalo-lalo na sa mga naririto ngayon kay Vice President Noli De Castro. Maraming pong salamat. At sa Mayor ng Taguig, siyempre, si Mayor Tinga, maraming pong salamat. At si Mayor Lito Atienza ng Manila. At kay Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, maraming pong salamat, sir. At maraming pong salamat kay si Speaker de Benicia at kay Senador Mago Rojas. Maraming pong salamat. At sa lahat po na aming nabanggit, maraming pong salamat. At kay Mayor Mayor ng General Santos City, maraming salamat po. At kay Benjamin Abalos, maraming pong salamat. At siyempre, ang asawa ko at pamilya ko, Kike at mga anak ko, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng nagpumasa po at sa inyo lahat po, maraming salamat. Inaalay ko po sa inyo salamat po. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas.
Manny Pacquiao is the greatest featherweight in the world today. And his power is an inspiration to all of us. Fight fans, maraming salamat po.
Pinito itong si Manny Pacquiao, hindi lang siya magaling na champion but he truly is
Nais ko po pasalamat
an excellent human being. Alam niyo yung bahagi po ng pagkakapanalo niya rito, yung 200,000 pesos dito sa kanyang purse dito ay kanya nang kinumit dun sa mga kapatid nating nasa lantanan ng bagyo sa Quezon at sa iba't ibang lugar. And I think that shows you the kind of person that this Manny Pacquiao is. Na nakita natin siya and dito saludo talaga ako dito, hindi lang bilang isang boksingero pero dahil sa isang tunay na Pilipino.
One step, one moment, one goal. Yanig sa Taguig.
Nakakasama ho namin si Manny Pacquiao. Nung huli kami nag-usap nito, malungkot eh. Ngayon magpapasko.
Ngayon.
Nakangiti kami dalawa. Naalala mo ba yung Mayo?
Birthday ko sa December 17, no?
Advance happy birthday. Matapos po ng isang araw, magbubukas ng ating simbang gabi, birthday na po nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Ang sarap po palang interview pagka nakangiti tayo pareho.
Happy tayong lahat. At Manny, eto pinasayahan mo lahat ng mga Pilipino nga dumalo dito at saka nanonood sa kanilang mga tahanan. Manny, nakita natin, no? Yung kalaban mo, yung dalawang pa umangat. Sa isang suntok mo lang.
Alam ko na yun ang tatama talaga sa kanya na magpa-knockout sa kanya kasi pag straight, lumuyoko siya eh. So, tinichimpo ko lang na talagang hilong-hilo na siya sa mga suntok ko.
Ito nangyari. Ito, kita mo yung dalawang pa umangat.
Talagang
Ngayon ko lang nakita yan.
talagang tudong-tudo yun. Tudong-tudo na
Saka kung titignan
Oo.
nyo ho yan, yung sinasabi, natutunan ko kay Coach Freddy yun eh. Pag susuntok ka pala, manggagaling doon sa talampakan mo, no? Pakyat sa tuhod,
Yun.
papunta sa bewang.
May tawag kami noon eh ng trainer ko. Yun yung tinatawag namin na 105.
Ayun. Ano? Bakit 105?
Parang mortar bomb, 105.
Sabi ko nga, basuka eh.
Grabe.
Parang kang basuka kanina eh.
Yung pagkaka-deliver kasi nito, kung makikita nyo uli yan maya-maya, makikita nyo yung full weight ng body, no? Para kumbaga, yung buong katawan mo isinama ko sa
Nakita
pagkakatawan.
naman nila sa slow motion, talagang nakaposisyon yung pako sa suntok.
At saka Manny, talagang hinahanap mo din yung opening eh. Parang ka nangyari doon, gumamit ka muna ng suntok ng kanan, parang fake. Tapos nung nakita mo na parang magka-counter niya, counter si Pasan, parang nakita mo may opening ka agad eh.
Tinitingnan ko ba, nung second round pa lang yun, alam ko na doon siya lagi yumuyuko eh. Wala
style niya.
siyang iba eh.
Tinatimingan mo.
Yumuyuko siya doon. So,
O matanong ko sa iyo, Manny, no? Nung nilalabanan mo ito si Pasan, para mo ba nakikita yung mukha ni Marquez?
Parang nakikita ko at nandyan na sila. Hindi lang si Marquez, si Barrera, si Morales.
Lahat.
Tatlo sila.
Okay.
Isa lang. Yung kanan mo, sabi mo nga kahapon, abangan nila yung kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. Na-pressure ka ba kanina? Nakikita ko, gigil na gigil ka. Gusto mong pahigain ng kanan eh.
Yun nga, yung first round, saka second round, ginagamit ko, ayaw ko munang gamitin sana itong kaliwa. Gusto ko kanan dahil yun ang sinabi ko eh, na malakas ito na suntok. Kaya lang,
At saka yun din ang pinag-practicean mo.
kaya lang, yumuyo ko siya, so medyo pero na hilong-hilo siya sa hoko, mga hoko, sa right hoko.
Manny, meron ka konting tama dito, no? Sa ilalim ng iyong kanan na mata. Ano ba nangyari doon? Nasaktan ka ba? Sa laban na to?
Ito lang naman ang yung sa jab niya na magsalubungan kami kasi pareho kami
Parehong kaliwete kasi sila nagsasalubong.
So, nagsasalubungan ng
Ano
jab
masasabi mo dito sa boksingero ng taga Thailand? Matapang ba to? Pwede bang talagang contender ito?
para sa akin matapang, bilib ako sa tapang pero
Kayang-kaya.
medyo may kabagalan siya pero inaamin ko may kabagalan siya. Hindi naman natin pwedeng buhatin yung upuan niya. So medyo may kabagalan siya pero matapang, may lakas din.
Okay, Manny, kanina, for the first time, ito, makikita mo yun yung una mong patama, no? Tapos yan, susunod mo, ito, nung tumama ka rito, alam mo na darating na yung pagtatapos ito.
Oo. Parang sabi ko, wala na.
Alam mo na, no? Nung bumagsak ng isa, pero kanina, nung tinama mo sa noon ng kanan mo, narindi na rin eh. Nakontento ka na ba na tumama yung kanan mo, narindi mo siya doon sa kanan na yun? Tinama mo sa noon, nakita ko yung
nung,
nabagsak eh.
nung bumagsak siya, nung hindi pa tinamaan yung talagang napakalakas, tinignan ko yung corner niya. Sabi ko, ayaw na ba?
Pinatinitignan mo kung iayaw na dahil marami nang inaabot na suntok.
Umiiling-iling ako sa corner niya kasi
Pero lumaban pa rin eh.
sabi ko nga, ayaw na, ay lumaban pa rin. So,
Okay, alam natin yung style mo, Manny. Pag sound ng bell, talagang inuupakan mo na kaagad yung kalaban mo, sinusugod mo na. No? Nung first round, hindi mo bagsak si Pasan. Parang na-frustrate ka ba? Parang hindi mo napagbigyan ng mga kababayan mo na hindi mo napabagsak siya nung first round? O hindi naman?
Hindi naman kasi gusto ko nga gamitin yung kanan ko.
Yun talaga. Yun ang punteriya mo.
Oo.
Na-pressure sa
Yung
kanan.
kanan.
Manny, ito nang kanina nakita ko nung pagkatapos ng tradisyon na parada yung pagpapakilala sa iyo diyan, nakangiti ka dito sa may section na to. Sa dami ng mga laban na pinanood kita, blow by blow, nakarating tayo sa mga championship nung huling laban natin sa Las Vegas, hindi ka nakikita nakangiti kanina, nakangisi ka doon eh. Parang hindi pa nagsisimula ang laban, ang taas ng kumpiyansa mo dito sa laban ito.
At kumpiyansa talaga ako dahil unang-una may bagong suntok kami at na-develop yung kanan ko at kumpiyansa ako na kaya ko siya talunin. Saka advantage ako sa kanya sa bilis, yun.
Sa height.
Sa height.
Sa power.
Sa power.
Oo. Manny, tanong ko sa iyo. Pressure. Ito, lumabang ka sa harap ng mga kababayan mo. Libo-libo, ang daming tao rito sa The Fort. Na-pressure ka ba na dapat bigyan sila ng magandang showing?
Medyo na-pressure ako pero lahat ang ginawa ko kasi nung first round talaga kanan gusto ko makapanak out hanggang second round, third round. Tapos nung pagka fourth round sabi ko, naisip ko na hindi pala pwedeng kanan lang, hindi pala pwedeng matibay pala tong kalaban ko, so ginamit ko
Siguro sabi ng kalaban mo, kanan ang binibitawan ni Manny, yun ang dinidepensahan niya. Tapos nabuksan tuloy yung kanya kanan para sa kaliwa mo.
Oo nga eh.
Bilang pahuli siguro sa mga kababayan natin, alam natin, napakalaki ng future. Unang step na lampasan niya na Kinito, yung sinasabi natin, ito yung biggest hurdle. Ano na susunod? Alam ko may February 26 na Manuel Marquez. Ano na ngayon ang gagawin mo? Siyempre, marami nang magsasabi. Kailangan pa kondisyon si Manny. Walang duda, nasa kondisyon ka na. Ano na ngayon ang nasa isipan mo? Mag-celebrate ng Pasko, and then next, sana tayo papunta?
Pagkatapos po ng Pasko po at New Year, January po, tutungo na po ako ng LA para mag-training para sa February 26.
So siguro first week ng January,
First week po.
patungo ka na doon.
Manny, magpapaalam kami sa iyo at i-congratulate ka namin. Gaya na sinasabi ko paulit-ulit, hindi ka lang magaling na boksingero, pwede ka ng billiard player.
Alam mo talaga
Konti lang
totoong
alam
bayani
mo.
ito si Manny.
Oo.
Nabanggit na natin kanina, no? Yung premyo mo, yung a portion of yung premyo mo,
Dinonate niya 200,000.
Oo, idonate mo na dun sa mga kasalagta ng mga kababayan natin, no? Yan talaga ang Manny Pacquiao. May puso, may lakas pa.
At saka,
May lakas pa.
ano ba yung kaliwa? Ayun, nandun
Ayun,
dito.
ito.
At saka maraming salamat sa mga kabayan ko at sa mahal na Pangulo. Marami pong salamat, ma'am. At saka kay Mikey, Congressman Mikey Arroyo, maraming salamat po. At kay First Gentleman, marami pong salamat. At sa lahat po na narito ngayon, Mayor Lito Atienza, Mayor Antagig, at saka kay Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, marami pong salamat at nagpunta talaga po kayo rito para panoorin yung laban ko. At sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko ngayon nanonood sa TV, maraming salamat po.
Yung ina mo nandun sa loob ng ring,
Oo nga, at maraming salamat sa mother ko at sa wife ko at sa mga kids ko at sa mga lahat ng minamahal ko sa buhay. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta at sana pagpalain nawa tayo ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat.
Kaya isa rin pasalamat ni Manny. Alam ko hindi niya makakalimutan. Pasalamat sa ating Panginoon, no, for yung guidance na binibigay kay Manny. Si Manny, hindi lang magaling na boksingero, hindi lang world champion, pero isa pong tunay na tao, proud to be a Filipino. Manny, Merry Christmas. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa at Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Advance.
Okay, Manny
Magbibigyan
Pacquiao,
naman tayo.
pinagmamalaki natin.
Yannick Satagi.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Dito live sa Yannick sa Taguig. Ako po si Vito Lazatin at kasama natin ngayon 2003 Trainer of the Year. Ang namamahalas mag-iensayo ni Manny the Pacman Pacquiao. Walang iba kundi si Freddie Roach. Freddie, a few quick questions before the match. How would you compare Manny's conditioning now as compared to his condition when he fought Marquez?
Not quite as good as against Marquez because we had 8 weeks to get ready for Marquez. We only have 4 weeks getting ready for this fight. But he is in very good shape, though. We ran real hard. When I got to Davao, he wasn't really where I wanted him to be, so I pushed him real hard for 3 weeks. And then last week we've been kind of tapering off. But he's in great shape for the fight. And, we need to go 12 rounds. It's not a problem.
Well, there was a lot of talk also about Manny's focus. There's talk about the fights that Manny's going to be getting into next year. And there was also a lot of talk about you bringing his focus back to Fasan. How is his focus now?
It's really on tonight's fight because if we stumble here, there's no future with Morales and Barrera and all those guys out there. So we can't make a mistake right now. So he's in great shape. He's trained really hard for the fight, and I expect good things tonight.
Well, talking about Fasan momentarily, how have you prepared for Fasan?
Well, there's a few flaws that he has. He brings his hands back kind of low, so I think Manny's speed is going to be the factor in the fight. He's too quick for him, and the straight left hand is going to be a good shot, and we're working on the right hook, of course. And Fasan, though, hey, he's fighting Manny Pacquiao, the best featherweight in the world. If that didn't get him up to motivate him, nothing in the world will. So I expect him to fight the best fight of his life.
Well, Freddie, thanks for your time. We know
Nakakapalag ng tao dahil ibinigay niya ang pagtunggawan niya upang tubusin ang mga kasalanan ng tao sa buong sanlibutan. Panalo ka kapag ang Diyos ang iyong